My onions looking good over here. Gotta pull some of the dirt from around it to help the bulbs of the onions to be able to grow, have room to grow out. Okay. Looking good, looking good. They're gonna soon be sitting on top of the soil, the onions. Can't wait to see them. Okay, onions, y'all come on. Grow big and beautiful for us. Yes, look at all of these beautiful green onions here that I can chop up and put in my freezer. Yes. Soon gonna have a harvest of onions grown in Big Mama's garden. Oh boy, collard greens, you look beautiful there. Yes, you do. Yes. I think I see okra coming up here. I think this is my okra plant. Sowed the seeds back here. This should be my eggplant over here. I think of that one there that I sowed the seed to. And one right there. I'll see when they come up if that's really the eggplant. I think those back there in the back are my okras. But collard greens, it may be time to harvest y'all soon. You're looking beautiful. And look over here. I have some watermelon growing, yes. I see 5 have sprouted up, yes. I don't see the cantaloupe coming out over there yet. That's why I planted those back in that back area. But I see some watermelon. Come on, watermelon. Grew a lot for us this summer. Lord, I waited too late to harvest this asparagus. Look how tall it has got. It may be too hard to eat now. I see. Oh, there goes some right there. Okay. And there's some in the back. Let me harvest these. I didn't come out here yesterday. Oh, they grew up overnight. Gotta check your asparagus beds daily. See what has sprouted out. Look how tall that one is. Okay. I'm gonna harvest you, but I don't know if you're gonna be good to eat because you may be too tough now. Collard greens, you're looking good right here. Oh, my lettuce look like you're trying to bolt them and go to seed. Put one of the seeds out and put it down there in the dirt, see if it's gonna grow back. I need to come on and harvest you guys. Looking great, yes you are. Look at my asparagus. That long one too. Nice harvest of asparagus today. Okay, let me go ahead and harvest some of this romaine and butter crunch lettuce this morning, along with some of this collard greens over here too. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Just cut off this whole head of lettuce here. Look at that. That's romaine lettuce. Looks nice. Gonna enjoy eating you. Okay, let me cut off this butter crunch here. Okay, butter crunch, looking great, yes. Clean that dirt off of it. Okay. Let me continue harvesting my lettuce. Gotta get this before it all goes to seed on me. Here's my nice lettuce harvest for the day. Get these cleaned off and pulled off the stem and get them cut up and stored and get ready to have salads with them. My romaine and my butter crunch lettuce. I still have ones over here that can still grow for me. Come on, continue to grow. And I planted those, pulled off the seed tops off of those that had bolted and go to seed and put them back down into the soil here. See if I can get them to grow for me. Look at those seeds on there. Yes. Okay, come on and grow back for me. Okay, I think I'm gonna harvest some collard green leaves here this morning too, off of this beautiful one. Yeah. Looking good. Yes, you are. Get some of you before pests start eating on you. Okay. Rest of the leaves continue to grow big for us. Today's harvest from Big Mama's garden: collard greens, asparagus, and lettuce. All looking good. Yes. Okay, I'm cleaning off my lettuce. Look at that beautiful lettuce on that stem there. Yes. Put them in this water here, let them get clean with the salt, and then I'm going to spin them with my lettuce spinner, get the water off of them, and I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. My daughter likes to chop up and mix up the salads with all her ingredients that she make her salads with, and so she's going to get this lettuce here and put it together for us with some nice salads to eat. Okay, let me clean this lettuce off. Look at all the beautiful blooms on my collard greens. A lot of seeds I'm gonna be able to save. Yes. Don't need to go, okay, look at you, bee, you pollinating those, okay. Don't need to go and buy any collard green seeds for a while. Okay, come on. There's always a time for sowing, a time for collecting seeds, and a time for growing. like it's a lot of the plants are bolting and going to seed early. God may be telling us to collect those seeds. May not be around when we need them, so we gotta collect them now.